Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to see your transaction history in Trust Wallet. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application and connected my wallet. In case you don't know how to, well, worry not. We have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to see the transaction history. Well, it's quite easy. At the very top right in this Send Receive section, at the rightmost section, you will see a button like this called as History. Once you click on it, you will be able to view your transaction history. Simply click on it, and guys, this is it. Any transactions you have made will be made visible here. In case you cannot find your transaction, simply click on Check Explorer and just follow the prompts. And guys, that's about it. That's how you see transaction history on Trust Wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.